SOR PE Scholars. This is Magister Beck coming at you. And this is the week of November 23rd, which means we only have school Monday and Tuesday. We have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday off. So for your 100-point worksheet, if you guys can shoot just to get at least a third or maybe half the points, like do a workout on Monday and do a workout on Tuesday, and then just email it to me Tuesday afternoon or evening, or even Wednesday if you just email the sheet to me. Um, I would like I said, for you guys to at least work out Monday and Tuesday, get it out of the way. And then if you guys want to work out later on in the week, fantastic. But we only have school Monday and Tuesday, so that's all, what you have to do to get credit. And also, I'd like to throw in a little extra thing. If you can attach to that sheet also for extra credit for some of you that need extra credit. And the ones that don't need extra credit, you can still do it just for the fun of it. But write down on the sheet with your workouts and your workout points, what is the one thing in turkey that makes you sleepy? So after you eat turkey, you always want to lay down on the couch and just fall asleep. What is that one thing in turkey that makes you tired? And that's about it for this week, guys. Get a couple workouts in. Try to shoot for, I don't know, 40, 50 points for the 2 days. And yeah, try to figure out what's in that turkey that makes you sleepy and add that, and I'll give you a handful of extra points as well for those of you that need it. And there are a lot of you that still need it because you haven't contacted me on extra assignments to do to get your grades up. I really don't want you guys to wait till the last second. I'd rather have you guys do it. Well, actually, this week is perfect. You have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday off. Contact me. I can give you a little extra assignment. You'll have plenty of time to get it done. It's not going to be too hard, and I'll give you an extra 10 points or whatever. But that's about it for this week, guys. And I will be seeing you guys tomorrow on the video chat. Hope you guys have a great rest of your Sunday. Talk to you guys later. Bye.